What's new? How about an autonomous item handling robotic solution with better performance, flexibility, and safety features that's easier to own and operate and ready for warehouses worldwide? Introducing RightPick 3, the next generation of our award-winning material handling robot system. Since 2015, we've focused on solving an important real-world problem. Surging online orders coupled with shrinking labor pools make it impossible for retailers to keep up with item handling needs in the warehouse. Robotic picking systems bridge this gap, offering resiliency, delivering value, and unlocking growth. That's why we've committed ourselves to one mission, enabling robots to manipulate everyday objects. Because in today's warehouse, every item matters. Featuring an unprecedented level of autonomy, RightPick 3 executes a wide range of end-to-end warehouse tasks despite the inherent variability of picking processes. Offering damage-free picking, rapid retry, and optimized outbound fill density, RightPick 3 is faster than ever and handles even more items than before. With an integrator-friendly modular design and well-defined APIs, RightPick 3 provides system integrators the flexibility and tools to jumpstart their offering of automated piece picking into customer designs today. The key is RightPick AI software and the data generated from each cycle, enabling robots to constantly understand, plan, execute, and learn. In RightPick 3, this software stack runs on a powerful hardware platform redesigned from the ground up for industry-leading performance, reliability, and safety. Featuring the RightPick processor module and its parallel dual GPU industrialized architecture, the platform packs epic computational power for AI algorithms, processing data more than 6 times faster than before, and boosting overall performance while keeping it cool, even on the hottest summer warehouse days. With a new safety controls unit, RightPick 3 enables easy integration of common warehouse safety components while maintaining a small footprint, helpful for retrofits or greenfield designs. RightPick 3 also features an integrated kiosk housing the RightPick console, an intuitive interface that lets warehouse associates perform routine maintenance and exception handling. The RightPick Fleet Management System provides operators with real-time visibility and control via the RightPick Control Center. Performance management tools and a suite of item management services serve up insights that enable the operations team to maximize overall productivity. These capabilities are all backed by RightCare service and support with comprehensive programs designed for end users and integrator partners, ensuring 24/7 operations. RightPick 3 is the most complete offering in the industry, providing turnkey accountability for picking performance with predictable throughput and field-proven reliability. Customers love the peace of mind, and integrators can bring robotic item handling to market with confidence. Fast, reliable, easy to integrate, own, and operate. With the RightPick 3 system, it's like products jump directly into orders without a touch. Now that's something new. Schedule an item analysis today and see if RightPick 3 is right for you.